When it comes to SUVs, reliability is king. These vehicles aren't just about taking you from point A to point B. They need to stand the test of time. Today, we're counting down 8 SUVs that last forever. Whether it's their bulletproof engineering, timeless design, or unbeatable performance, these SUVs are known to stick around. Let's dive in. Number 1. 2024 Toyota Sequoia. The 2024 Toyota Sequoia is a full-size SUV built to endure. Starting at around $60,875, it offers rugged dependability. On the exterior, the Sequoia boasts a bold, truck-like design with a prominent grille and LED headlights. It sits high on durable wheels, ready to handle any terrain. Inside, the cabin is luxurious yet practical, featuring high-quality materials, a massive infotainment screen, and 3 rows of seating. Under the hood, the hybrid powertrain combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with electric motors, delivering 437 horsepower and impressive towing capabilities. Plus, with Toyota's reputation for durability, the Sequoia is a long-term investment for adventurers and families alike. Number 2. 2024 Toyota 4Runner. The 2024 Toyota 4Runner remains a legend in off-road capability and longevity. With a starting price of $40,155, this SUV is built on a truck-like body-on-frame platform. Its rugged exterior features iconic boxy styling, skid plates, and roof rails for added utility. Inside, the 4Runner offers simple yet durable materials, with an 8-inch infotainment display and spacious seating for up to 7. Powering this SUV is a 4.0-liter V6 engine delivering 270 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. While not the fastest, the 4Runner's reliability and ability to tackle rough trails are unmatched. It's a no-nonsense SUV that's built to last. Number 3. 2024 Dodge Durango. The 2024 Dodge Durango combines toughness with versatility. Starting at $40,090, this mid-size SUV has a muscular design featuring an aggressive grille, sleek headlights, and athletic body lines. The cabin is equally impressive, offering plush materials, a user-friendly 10.1-inch touchscreen, and seating for up to 7 passengers. Engine options range from a 3.6-liter V6 to a monstrous 6.4-liter HEMI V8, providing horsepower between 293 and 475. While its focus on performance might raise questions about fuel efficiency, the Durango's durability and towing capacity make it a long-term favorite for families and thrill-seekers alike. Number 4. 2024 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Luxury meets durability with the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Starting at $58,200, this SUV's sleek and refined exterior is complemented by LED lighting and optional AMG body styling. Inside, it offers premium materials like leather and wood trim, along with a cutting-edge infotainment system and spacious seating for 5. Performance-wise, the GL Class offers multiple engine options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 or a 3.0-liter inline-6 with EQ boost, delivering up to 429 horsepower. Thanks to advanced engineering and meticulous craftsmanship, the GL Class is not just a luxury SUV, it's built to go the distance. Number 5. 2024 Kia Sorento. The 2024 Kia Sorento is a dependable and affordable SUV, starting at $30,090. Its sleek exterior design features sharp lines, a tiger nose grille, and LED lighting for a modern look. Inside, the Sorento impresses with a well-organized cabin, an 8-inch or available 10.25-inch infotainment screen, and 3 rows of seating. Engine options include a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower or a turbocharged version with 281 horsepower. It's also available as a hybrid, adding even more versatility. Known for its solid build quality and reliability, the Sorento is perfect for families seeking a long-lasting vehicle without breaking the bank. Number 6. 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser is an icon of reliability and off-road prowess, with a starting price of $55,000. This legendary SUV features a rugged yet modern design, complete with LED headlights, a bold grille, and high ground clearance. The interior focuses on practicality and durability, with a minimalist dashboard and comfortable seating for up to 8. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain generates 326 horsepower, balancing power with efficiency. Whether conquering rocky trails or enduring daily commutes, the Land Cruiser's legendary reputation for reliability ensures it remains a top choice for decades. Number 7. 2024 Honda CR-AV. The 2024 Honda CR-AV is a compact SUV renowned for its dependability and practicality, starting at $29,500. Its sleek exterior design includes a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines. Inside, the CR-V offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials, a 7-inch infotainment screen, and advanced safety features. Powering the CR-V is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 190 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth performance. Known for its excellent fuel economy and reliability, the CR-V is a smart choice for families and commuters looking for a vehicle that can stand the test of time. Number 8. 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a versatile and fuel-efficient SUV with a starting price of $31,725. Its bold exterior features sharp lines, an aggressive grille, and standard LED lighting. The interior is equally impressive, offering a spacious and comfortable cabin with an 8-inch infotainment screen and Toyota's latest safety tech. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain produces 219 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy of up to 40 mpg. With its reputation for reliability and a hybrid system that's built to last, the RAV4 Hybrid is a standout in the compact SUV segment. And there you have it, minus 8 SUVs that last forever. These vehicles aren't just built to perform, they're built to endure, offering unmatched reliability for years to come. Whether you're after luxury, off-road capability, or everyday practicality, there's something on this list for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more rankings like this. Thanks for watching.